tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy. The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo!
Alright, babe boy. You gonna have to wake up. Come on, the bills don't never sleep. You gotta get that money or you done. Come on, let's go.
That looks like somebody I know. Pause. Why is it blowing kisses? Yo, what's up? Oh, it's clapping. It's trying to clap me? Hey, yo! Yo, imagine coming face to face with bro in the wild and he tries to fight you. Hey, yo! Never mind. What the brother?
Over here. No eye contact, no eye contact. Yo, I can break you out of here. I need you to meet me in 5 minutes by the back gate and bring some baby oil, okay?